Hello friends, today we shall discuss exercise 3.4 question number 4. Write all the numbers less than 100 which are common multiples of 3 and 4, right? First of all, we write the multiples of 3, right? We write the multiples of 3. The multiples of 3 are multiples of 3, multiples of 3 are 3 on 3, 3 to the 6, 3 to the 9, 3 4 is 12, 3 5 is 15, 3 6 is 18, 3 7 is 21, 3 8 is 24, 3 9 is 27, 3 10 is 30, 3 11 is 33, 3 12 is 36, 3 12 3 12 is 36, 4 12 is 48, 3 12 is 36, 3 13 is 39, 39. After that 40 41 42, 42, then 45. There is a difference of 3 only. 45 and 48, 48, 51, 2 3, 54, 54, 57, 60, 63, 66, 69, 72, etc. Right? Now we'll find the multiples of 4. Multiples of 4 are multiples multiples of 4 are from the 4, 4 to the 8, 4 3 is 12, 4 4 is 16, 4 5 is 20, 4 6 is 24. That means there is a difference of 4 only. 24, then 28, 32, 32 plus 4 is 36, 36 plus 4 is 40, then 44, then 48, and 52, then 56, etc. Right. After that you can go on. Right. Now, what are the common multiples? Now we'll find the common multiples of 3 and 4. Common multiples of common multiples common multiples of 3 and 4 are, now see what are the common. You see, this is number 1 is 12 is common between them, 12. Next is 24, 24 is common. You see this one 24. Next one is 36 is common, 36 is common. Next is 48 is common. You see this is 48, this is 48 is also common, 48 is also common, this is 48, right? Therefore the multiple are 12. Therefore the common multiples of 3 and 4 are 12, 12, 24, 36, 48, and you find that there is a common pattern. What is the pattern? That you are getting the common multiples of 3 and 4, that is the multiple of 12, right? Where multiple of 12. Therefore, we will get all the multiple of 12 to get the common multiples of 3 and 4 up to 100. Therefore, right? Therefore, first one is common multiples of 3 and 4 will be multiple of 12, right? That is table of 12, right? Then we are writing the table of 12, that is 12, that is 12 into 1. The multiples of 12 are 12 into 1 is equal to 12. Next number will be 12 into 2, 12 to the 24. You find the pattern, that is number 12 into 3, 12 3 is 36, 3 is 36, 12 4, 12 into 4, 12 4 is 48, 48. You find the table of 12. 12 into 5, 12 into 5, 5 12 is 60. You get this number 60, and 12 into 6, 6 12 is 72, right? 72. 12 into 7, 12 into 7, 7 2 is 84. 12 into 8 is 12 8 is 96, and 12 9 is 12 into 9, 108. But the question is, you have to take the multiples of 3 and 4 up to 100, but less than 100, less than 100. But we will not take this one, right? We will not test 108. Therefore, all the numbers are 12, 24, 36, 48, 60, 72, 84, and 96. Therefore, common multiples of 3 and 4 less than 100 are therefore common multiples therefore common multiples of 3 and 4 but less than 100 are table of 12, that is 12 1 is 12, 24, 36, 48, 60, 72, 84, and 96. This is the answer of the question number 4. First of all, what you have to write? You have to write the multiples of 3 and then multiples of 4, and we are getting the common multiples of 3 and 4 as 12, 24, 36, and 48. Then we are getting a pattern. What is the pattern? We are getting the table of 12. Therefore, the common multiples of 3 and 4 less than 100 are 12 into 1, 12, 12 into 2, 24, 12 into 3, 36, 12 into 4, 48, 12 into 5, 60, 12 into 7, 72, 12 into 6, 72, 12 into 7, 84, and 12 into 8, 96. And 12 into 9 is 108, but less than 100 you have to take. Therefore, we will not take 108. This is the solution of question number 4, exercise 3.4.